Alright, you welcome back again to the next lesson on Mendley. Wow, we're done with Microsoft Word and we are going to Mendley. Please, I have my Mendley already downloaded, and its size is not any big. It's about 50 words, 4.7 megabyte, and just go to Google if you don't have yours, and then type in download Mendley for PC, and you follow the link, you get the setup. It's for free. Again, you need to create account with Mendley using your email, and that account will be needed so that whatever file you save will be kept on that account. Later you can visit it back for it. Okay, alright, so after you downloaded your setup, you only need to double click and then you run the setup. Since I have mine already, I wouldn't go through the process. Okay, so this is my Mendley desktop. So let's click on Mendley to see the interface, how it's going to be. Okay, I think I have to close it and open it again so that you can all see what Mendley is all about. Okay, alright. I did something recently, no problem. This is the interface of Mendley, and the good news about Mendley is that you don't need to, we have these options here: add files, add folder, watch folder, add entry manually. And this is exactly what we did at Microsoft Word. You type in everything here possible, and then you search the person. We're not going to do that again. We are going to advance quickly, and we have all documents, everything here, filter authors, and we have all the authors here, the tags by publication. You want to search the documents that we have. So when you open yours initially, there wouldn't be anything here. It's going to be empty. All that we need to do is to go to add, and you pick, if it's a single file, you just go to file. As a folder, you go to folder. Let's go to a file, and this is the folder we want to add using embedded method. So we open that folder and it quickly appears over here. Now you can add the folder here again, and related document, when you have data, it will just scan through what, if you have double articles, is going to tell you that yeah, they are the same here, so one should be deleted. And synchronize means you just take into the accounts you're creating with Mendley for future references and as a data bank for you. Alright, then let's move on to what we can do with Mendley. When you have the file already, as I open the file and then I added to it the ZZ, we can open it and watch it on Mendley. Good news about Mendley is that if you're looking for a single sentence, just go to embedded, and whatever embedded is found in the article, you're going to be highlighted for you. It could be a whole sentence you want. You can easily get it and paraphrase and go on smoothly. Again, if when you have all the documents here, you can just continue with embedded, and every single document that has embedded in it will appear, so that you can quickly go through them, read, scan through, and pick the very information that you're looking for. One good thing about Mendley. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is to go inside the Mendley in a word. If you have Mendley downloaded, follow suit and do a next thing, which is integrate Mendley into Microsoft Word so that you can use it intertwined with Microsoft Word. Alright, so I open a particular document, and this is the document again. Alright, back again. So the research design employed for this study was embedded design. The embedded design is simple, whatever pay, whatever, okay, full stop. Now I want to cite someone for this, and don't forget we just added a file, and that file, we can go back to the file and look at it and see who actually wrote. So it was Zeamdan Yu, and then Kazanchi. Okay, now let's come back to Mendley. You come to yes, sorry, maybe you have home. All you need to do is you come to references. This is what we use for Microsoft Word. This is after integrating Mendley into Microsoft Word, this is how it's going to appear. And you have the insert citation for the in test and insert bibliography too for the out test. Okay. Now this is the American Psychological Association. It's the APA we use in Microsoft Word. Here is it. And alright, refresh and do it. Okay. What you're going to do now is we're going to do insert citation. And we are looking for you. Alright, so we just search you and the document is written that we have already I've already placed in Mendley or added to Mendley, and this is the document we just added. So you just select it and then click on OK. Wow, so this is it. It is already done for us, then for you and I. This is how Mendley works. Again, assuming this thing was done by Howell 2013. Okay, let me see Howell. Okay, let me go to undo. Alright, and we go to Mendley. I think I added something concerning let's go to add again. We add a folder. I want us to do it. Let me try my document if I can locate some folder quickly. Alright. Login. Okay, conclusions and recommendations. Alright, so when you add the folder, everything in that folder will also appear. And here, okay, so I think we have this one, Da Mahmood. Alright, so I want to cite this particular work in my work now. So I go to this word, I'm looking for Da Mahmood. I just come here, alright, and then go to insert citation and so I just go to Da Mahmood. So this is this work. I just select it, click on OK, and I insert Da Mahmood in my work. Okay. There's a good news about Mendley. Now we want to do the outers referencing. So I only need to go to fresh page. Let me break a page. So I need this fresh page. All I need to do is to go back to my references and then go to insert bibliography. Click on it. Wow! Interestingly, it has appeared. Can you see that? This is how it's going to work. It is so magical. This is how Mendley works. All that you need is just the file or the folder added. Now you come to what you've integrated into Microsoft Word, do the intest, and whatever you've cited in your work will appear as your output. So please, it's good for you and I to have these things done so that we can trace our work, get ourselves out of trouble in terms of plagiarism, try to make the perfect referencing, also just copying and pasting. No, we can quickly trace work and whatever you have really cited in your work. So with the works that we have cited, a good lecturer will just go through your work and see that this work has actually been cited, exactly how the work has been cited somewhere, and we can know those works that have been actually cited. That's how Mendley works. So easy and simple for you and I. Thank you so much for staying with me, and if you have any questions too, you can ask.